The siren is about to get activated. It's gonna blare. Just now I got the pre-alert. Three to 4 minutes, it's going blare. The siren gonna get activated. It's estimated time to blare. It's 4 minutes from the time the alert has been sent. Soon you're gonna hear that blaring. We're going to hear another red alert. I had a feeling it's going to happen 1 hour before the siren blared. 1 hour even before the alert sent to me. Sent to my phone. It's gonna start within 3 minutes because 1 minute is past. Maybe less than it. No one knows when it's gonna start, but just now it's gonna start blaring soon. Our hpss just started. Here it's out. It's blaring. Worst imitation of sirens. You don't know to imitate siren. So, from where it is now? Yemen again? From where the rocket's coming? From which country the rocket coming? Who's shooting the rockets? Yemen?
Come.
Okay, we will wait. Now they are exploding.